the trending salt trick that makes men harder than the little blue ones. Listen up. There's a secret trick spreading across the U.S. among men aged 40 to 70. And it's up to 7 times stronger than the little blue one. Yes, you heard that right. Up to 7 times stronger than those schemes. Over 175,000 men are already doing this trick every night. But here's the best part. Research conducted this July by Boston University shows that the best way to beat ED in 2025 isn't by taking Viagra, Tadalafil, or even going to embarrassing doctor visits. Sounds crazy, right? So how do you solve ED without spending a fortune on those expensive things doctors always recommend? Simple. This method is based on an ancient formula with salt, and it's the way you prepare it that makes it more potent than those blue ones, according to the Boston research. Let me tell you, the longer it lasts, the better. You know that we get tired of men who can't stay hard for long. No matter how much love we have for someone, there comes a point when we're fed up with failures in bed, and all we want is a strong, dependable man who can perform. That's what I was going through, watching my husband fail every time. Now here's the good part. The salt trick might work, but it's hard to get right. And that's why we created a much easier solution. Nitrox Pro. Nitrox Pro is ready to go. No complicated preparation, just powerful results. After using it, my husband's performance has been on point, and we're having more fun than ever in the bedroom. It works quickly and effectively, and the best part, no side effects, just real results.